Hey guys, today we'll be making an adorable Ruffle Peppermint ribbon wreath. What you will need: I have my wreath ring, I have this adorable peppermint wire edged ribbon, and scissors. Alright, let's get started. First thing I'm going to do is take my ribbon and loop it around the innermost ring. And then I'm going to tie the ribbon in a knot. This is going to serve as my starting point. So once you have your knot in place, you are going to take your ribbon and pull it through the first space, making a nice little loop. And you're going to repeat this step with the second and third spaces, and try to keep your loops as uniform as possible. The size of the loops, that's completely up to you. If you want a larger wreath, make larger loops. If you want a smaller wreath, make smaller loops. But just make sure they're as uniform as possible. Once you have all three loops, you're going to scrunch it all together and then twist your ribbon a couple of times and go back to the first space and complete the steps all over again. Now, since I'm using a thinner ribbon, I'm going to make 3 rows of these loops. Usually if I'm using Deco mesh, I'll only make 2 rows, and that makes a pretty decent sized wreath. So it's personal preference. You can also double up the ribbon if you choose to do so. Alright, I'm going to get some loops placed and show you what it's looking like. Alright, so I have come to the end of my first roll. I'm going to just tie it in a knot wherever my stopping point is. You could have a different stopping point. It just depends on how large you made your loops. Just tie it in a knot, and wherever you stop, start over in that exact same spot. I just happened to end right at the last loop, so I'm going to go and start over on my inner stem, just like I did at the very beginning. Alright, so I'm just tying my final knot for my last loop and then tuck it away. And you are all done. It's so cute, simple, and easy to do. Modify the colors, the styles to fit your needs. You can add any additional embellishments, you can add a sign to the center, just have fun with it and make it your own. I'm just going to adjust it, make sure everything's nice and poofy. It's so cute and precious. And simple to make. Again, you can double up the ribbon, you can add in some cute little candy canes, a sign for the center. Just have fun with it and make it your own. So cute.